Hi guys, today we will talk about how to clear up cache on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on save, then it's going to take you to your profile here on next window. Then you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for your window like this. Then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just come here and you click here on privacy and data. Then you come to privacy and data window and you just go down, then you click here on clear up cache. Then it's going to clear your cache already here like you say, so you just click here and it's going to clear your app cache on your Pinterest app. So that's all now. I wish now you are great. You just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you next video.